What makes the Plastic Surgery Clinic stand apart is our vision of excellence, our attention to detail, our constant drive to improve and to always listen. But above all else, it's our culture of care. This is your dream after all, and our sole purpose is to make that dream a successful one.
Here's our philosophy. Our philosophy is do what's best for the patient. So, there's lots of places where you can go, or you go to hospitals or other clinics, and they do what's most convenient for the surgeon, or they do what's most convenient for the staff, or they do what's most convenient because of the day of the week. Our rule here is do what's best to the patient. So when patients ask me, what should I do? I say, look, if you were my sister or my mother or my wife or my cousin, this is what I would suggest. And that's what we do. And often it's like, we say, what, surgery's not right for you. Or I don't think, if you were my sister, I wouldn't want you to do this. On the other hand, we'll say, this is what you need to have done because this is what I would do to a member of my own family, and this is how I would take care of you.
The philosophy of the clinic is we want patients to be treated like how we would want to be treated if we walked through the front door, special and unique.
The patients, for us, are first and foremost. We accommodate them in every way we can. So their comfort and their happiness is important to us, and that's what we try and do from the initial consult when they come in here the first time to get to meet Dr. Lista, from the decision to have the surgery, each step of the way until their yearly annual checkup. When they come back, they're happy to see us.
It is a safe haven for patients to come, no matter what the procedure is that they're having, and we never want to make them feel nervous or embarrassed about what it is that they're coming in for. We deal with a vast variety of different surgeries here, and they're people, and they just want help.
When a patient has achieved their goals and they are so elated and so happy, and sometimes they're so happy, they're tearful because they can't believe that they just achieved this wonderful result and that they waited so long to do it. So when they get to that point, it's very gratifying. It's very gratifying.
It's extremely rewarding. They brought me to tears at times, It's very emotional. Like I said, you really get to know these patients, on a bit of a personal level, and they share so much with you. So by the time that their day of their surgery comes, it's so amazing to be able to see the joy on their face, and especially afterwards when they're coming in post-operatively and they're so happy, and they're just so happy that they did make the decision finally that they've thought about forever to make.
I think the most fulfilling thing is when a patient comes a few months after their operation and says, Dr. Lista, you've changed my life. We change people's lives.